see how much time, effort, and love you put into this special day of yours. We love you so much, and same pa din nung wish ko yung bilingan mo. I hope you grow up to be a kind human being, compassionate with others, giving, forgiving, prayerful, and most of all, ayun, yung si God. May God be the center of your community always. Kami ni Dad, we are always here for you. And we will do everything in our power for you to grow up happy,